How to make Keto Southwest Salmon with Salsa. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For salmon: 8-ounce salmon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. For salsa: 1 medium avocado, 1 medium fresh tomato, 1 medium jalapeno pepper, 1 medium onion, 1 medium lime, sliced, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine the seasonings, olive oil, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine well. 3. Completely spread the seasonings onto the salmon fillets with a brush. Cook the salmon over a frying pan on medium heat and let cook for 5 to 8 minutes on both sides. 4. Chop the onion, and slice the avocados, tomato, and jalapeno pepper. 5. Layer them in a serving bowl. 6. Mix them together and garnish with the chopped cilantro and sliced lime. 7. Top with the salmon. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Southwest Salmon with salsa. Each serving comes out to be 494 calories, 35.3 grams fat, 10.4 grams net carbs, and 28.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.